Hi, this is Rachel Duarte, and the site I chose was Google's Be Internet Awesome. And I really like this site because Google is a main search engine that many people know about and use every day. So the fact that they made this for kids and just for people maybe who are less experienced in the internet and don't know stuff, um, it's a really helpful tool, and they made it so easy to understand. So the opening thing is helping kids be safe, confident explorers of the online world. Because let's face it, the online world is not as safe as we wish it was. And so on the opening screen here, you can see that there's some stuff like what's new about the program, the internet code of awesome. And I like how they use the word awesome because it sounds interactive and fun, not just like internet codes or the rules of the internet. Like, no, they're trying to make it fun and interactive and for kids to understand that, the internet can be super dangerous and we want to have fun, but we got to be safe. And so some things they talk about in the opening thing, like don't fall for a fake, being real that people aren't always who they say they are, and especially on social media. I mean, we've all seen catfish. We know that not everyone's the same. Making sure we're not sharing our secrets, like our passwords, our addresses, our phone number, anything online that could potentially get to someone and be harmful to you in any way. You just never know. And not cyberbullying. I think this is a big one. It's cool to be kind. Like, you don't need to be mean to each other on the internet. Like, social media is such a place for kids to just thrive on bullying each other. And it's just really sad to see. So I just like how they mention a couple of these things here, because I just think it's just super helpful and super useful. So we're going to go over here to educators. So here we have what's called Internetland. I'll play the video here. And what I like about Interland is that it's super interactive for kids and super fun. I mean, look at the colors and the geometric shapes. I think that's just really cool to just look at. It's fascinating. So as they say here, Interland is an adventure-packed online game that makes learning about digital safety and citizenship interactive and fun, just like the internet itself. Because the internet is fun, and I love being on the internet. We like playing games on the internet, but we got to know how to be safe. And so kids are able to play this game at the same time learning about the internet. And what I like really about this game is that it's boring just to read a list about things to do. Like, don't do this, don't do this. I just feel like I'm being screamed at and what not to do. But with an interactive game, like, I'm doing like two things at once. I'm having fun, but I'm learning. And learning is supposed to be fun. So why not make it fun? So I really like how Google did this. And yeah, so their whole goal is here is helping students be responsible digital citizens. And so I think this would be an awesome tool for the classroom.